Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing great, so let's jump into today's install and review. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, WorldNewHair. Today I have a chocolate brown, big body 13x6 deep wave chocolate brown wig. This is in the density 250%. Let's get into it. I do like that it's a big body frontal, meaning there is a lot of lace space. The only thing that I'm concerned about right now looking at it is how thin it is towards the end. Sometimes looks can be deceiving. I'm not gonna judge a book by its cover just yet, but what I am gonna do is spray some lace tint. Okay, so that's what it's giving now that we put the lace tint. My lace Lineage spray, and then I'm gonna detail it with a little bit of glue. So it's mainly gonna be a glue-free install. It's always best if you remove the makeup around that part of your hair that you're gonna put the product, because it's just gonna adhere better. I'm gonna cut off some of that extra lace right now. And I'm just going over the hairline with more of my lace Lineage melting spray. Cut the ear tab. And now we're just gonna secure the rest. Okay, and I'm gonna hit it with a blow dryer. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then come back. I'm using the same product to do the baby hairs because we like one and done. The lace is looking a bit visible to me, and that's why we put the lace tint on her. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what it is that I want to do with this unit. I think we might do a half up. Okay, I'm just gonna put some gel. Now, I don't know about the 250% because for me, I found it more on the thin side towards the end. So if I'm expecting 250%, I'm expecting that density to be full all throughout. Regardless, that's what they said I had. The chocolate brown color is very beautiful. I would recommend using some lace tint or some makeup, foundation, something on the lace. For the density to be 250%, it's full in the front part and like mid shaft, but towards the end, it's looking thin, but the wig is still very beautiful. I did go back in with some gel to kind of sleek it down. The frontal is a big body frontal, meaning you have the same parting space all throughout, so you can do a lot of updos, a lot of different styles. You want to put the hair back, like something just screams put it back, girl. Anyways guys, I don't want to take up too much of your time. That is the install. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this color? What do you think about the style? Would you purchase something like this? What do you think about the density? All of that, let's discuss in the comment section. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to check that out before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you later in another review real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.